Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing accurate dimensions and choosing your input method. Measure wall lengths, door widths, and window placements, record units clearly. Next, scan or photograph each room methodically, take overlapping shots and notes. Use a laser measure or smartphone app to confirm critical spans. Once done, import images or point clouds into your chosen program so you can trace. Make sure to set the correct scale and units before you draw to avoid rework later. You now convert your scans into a structured drawing. Begin by setting the scale and activating a grid to snap elements cleanly. Trace exterior and interior walls on a dedicated layer, then create separate layers for doors and windows so edits won't break geometry. Use measured offsets for wall thickness and clearances. Add stairs and built-ins as objects rather than freehand lines. As you progress, group related items and name layers, since this organization speeds edits and ensures accurate exports later. You finish by validating and exporting your plan. Cross-check key dimensions against your field notes and calculate room areas to verify scale. Once correct, tidy layer names, add labels and dimensions, then export in formats your recipients need: DXF or DWG for CAD, PDF for printing, PNG for quick previews. If something goes wrong, reopen the editable file, toggle layers to find errors, and remeasure only the mismatched elements. This targeted fix avoids redoing the whole plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.